Hello everybody, thank you for tuning in to Technology X. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Cougar Armor Pro gaming chair.
Called upon as the throne for gamers, we were looking forward to this build. When you're thinking of a gaming chair, it's easy to think of how simplistic the design appears. But what goes into that design is what sets apart one chair to the next. Cougar has developed the newest line of gaming chair, their Armor Pro, with a similar breathable PVC leather. They have redesigned the chair to a more aesthetically appealing, cross-stitched diamond design. The addition of the orange micro suede bordering the full steel frame stands out beautifully and adds a touch of class to this sophisticated chair. The symmetry seems slightly askew at the top, leaving our OCD slightly irritated from the stitching process. The lumbar cushion is larger than its predecessor and just seems to fit more comfortably. Cougar has taken a step back to the 3-dimensional armrest from the 4-dimensional armrest, removing the lateral movement option. The Class 4 gas lift cylinder powers this mid-size 120 kilogram limit chair smoothly through 9 centimeters of a height adjustment. Not saying you can't use the chair over that limit, we just wouldn't recommend taking full advantage of the 170 degrees you can recline unless you're trying to learn backwards somersaults. After a quick and easy construction, the Armor Pro is a gorgeous upgrade to the Armor or the Armor S. We had no hiccups with the build, and the instructions are easy to follow and all necessary tools are included. The adjustable tilting resistance knob located on the underside of the chair allows you to adjust the tilting resistance of the chair. Located with the right hand is a 2-finger grooved lever which allows you to recline and lock the chair to any level between 90 and 170 degrees. Below and rear of that is a rear-facing lever which adjusts up to 3 inches of height. The lever can also be pushed in to lock the chair from tilting or pulled out to allow the chair to freely tilt back and forth. Overall, this chair is outstanding and we look forward to lots of continued use with it. Awarded a silver seal for overall comfort, design, and aesthetic appeal, we would like to see the move to rollerblade style wheels as well as the redevelopment of a 4-dimensional armrest. The Armor Pro comes in at an MSRP of $269 US, which can be a little high for somebody with a tighter budget. But if you have the extra money and you're looking to spend it wisely, the Cougar Armor Pro should be your next purchase.